So here is how we can mirror our iPhone to our Samsung television. Now, this is a very simple process. So what we need to do first of all is get our iPhone, go to the top right hand corner and scroll down. And then we need to locate a icon that looks like this. So the screen mirroring icon. Now it looks like two TV screens. If you don't see this on your control center, you can click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, in the top left hand corner. And then if we then go down, go to add a control. And then all we need to do is find the screen mirroring icon here and add that to our control center. Once we have done this, we are then good to go to the next step. And then all we need to do is simply click on the screen mirroring icon. And then as you can see here, you will then get this pop-up and it should now show your Samsung television. Once you do this, all you need to do is simply click on the Samsung 7 Series television, for example, and then if you get asked for permission on your TV, just give permission on your TV, and then you will then be able to mirror your iPhone to your Samsung television.